Hi Year 4, welcome back, Mrs. Powell here. Now for today's art activity, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. Now of course technology is all around us, especially at the moment. So I thought it would be a nice idea to create an art activity surrounding all the technology we have. So we are going to make some digital art. So let me show you how it's done.
So the first thing you are going to do in your search bar is to type in www.sketchpad.io. Enter and up will come Sketchpad, which is a free drawing app which you can use on your laptop, on your Chromebook, or on an iPad. Okay, so hopefully the screen will look like this for you on whatever device you are using. So it might come up completely blank, or it might come up with this checkerboard. So to start your new project, you are going to go down to this plus sign here, click on that, and then click on blank. And notice it should default to this number here. That's the perfect size for Instagram apparently. So if it doesn't, just put 640 by 640. Then click create. Okay, so there's your blank canvas ready to start. Now to start our Starry Night picture, we are actually going to fill this white canvas with a dark blue. So you are going to go over to this little paint bucket icon, okay? Click on it. Now it will come up with something called vector fill. We don't want vector fill. You click here and instead choose pixel fill. So click pixel fill. And then it might come up with this as a black color, okay? This is your color picker. So click on it and it will bring an array of already chosen colors, or here you can choose your own. Now I want a sort of dark blue, so I'm going to click on that and you can see that's changed color. That's the color that the bucket will fill your canvas. So then click on the canvas like that and it's lovely and dark blue, and you are ready to start painting your blank canvas. So first of all, you're going to go over to this little feather icon. That is where all your brushes are. So click on that. Okay, and then it says calligraphy. We don't want that. We are just going to click down, and these are all the brushes you can use. Now for our Starry Night picture, I'm just going to click tile brush. Okay, it just makes a nice sort of impressionistic mark. Okay, now it's defaulted to black. We don't want our paint to be black, so click on that and then you can choose some different blues. So I'm just going to choose my blue. Just make sure it's changed like that. Okay, and let me show you how you can draw beautifully with your tile brush. So you're just going to do some lovely sort of wavy lines like this. The beautiful thing about Van Gogh's Starry Night is it's sort of got loads of movement in it. So just have fun putting some lovely wavy lines in there. Okay, and I'm going to choose some different colours. So click back and you can maybe go in with a very light blue. See what that looks like. Oh, that's nice. Now you can actually change the size of your brushes too. Let me show you how you can do that. So here is the line width. It's defaulted to 20 pixels, but if you go down, click down, on that, actually put 10 pixels in there, and that will make it a finer line like that. So you can have fun playing around with that. Okay, now you're just going to take your time. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger actually, my pixels there. put some dark in there, very dark. So I've suggested doing Starry Night, but you can maybe do another Van Gogh if you want, whatever you want. The learning is just to have fun with this digital app to make your own picture. Okay. So we're going to now choose a green for the tree in the foreground. I'm just going to do that. Start this way. Now I'm using a mouse to create my marks. So you actually, if you are using a mouse, you can sort of just click and release to make your marks either really long or short. So if I just do a quick release like that, that makes a short mark, okay? You can do the same with your finger on a Chromebook or on your drawing pad. But if you've got a Chromebook, actually you can use your stylus. It might be a lot easier. I'm going to switch my green, get a really dark, actually let's get a really nice light green in there, okay? So you're just going to, that's zingy. I'm just going to build up your image. Okay. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I will show you a final example. Okay. I'm just going to actually put some dark in the foreground. So choose my color picker. So really, really dark green. Okay. And then I'm just going to paint the sort of hills in the background there. Just have fun with it. Okay. Now, and you can add some texture there. Okay. Now, I'm just, before I finish, just going to show you how to do the stars. So they're really quite beautiful. So just go back to your tile brush and choose, let's have some yellows. Now these are very, very short marks. If you look at the actual picture painting, it's just made up of sort of little tiny marks like this. Okay, so you just go around. Very short, I'm doing very short clicks with my mouse to achieve this sort of effect. Let's do one here. They're sort of in the center of these swirls, like waves, aren't they? Okay. Remember, the Impressionists were trying to not achieve realism. They were trying to give you an impression of what a scene looked like. So it's not meant to look realistic, photorealistic. Let's do a bit more there, and you can have fun doing this. Maybe choose a lighter one. There's almost some white in there. So let's go for a really, 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 really light yellow. Is that much of a difference? Sure. And let's just, and you can keep going. But I'll just show you the center of the stars. So just going to go with orange. Incidentally, if you accidentally make a mistake, so let me show you, I've made a mistake. If I just get the orange and I accidentally go like that and I don't want that, you can go over to this arrow here. That's undo, okay? That will undo the last step that you did, okay? So you just do that. So I've got orange and I'm actually going to choose, for this one, I'm going to choose a paintbrush, okay? But actually, with the paintbrush feature, can you see it's a lovely sort of glowing mark that it makes? So I'm just going to make a little circle to make the stars look as though they're glowing. So hopefully you can see that is glowing. Now, I haven't finished my picture. As I said, I will show you my finished one on the slides. But when you are ready to save your picture, you go down to this export icon, click on it, then click on download JPEG. Okay, and then here, you can just open it up, click on it once, open it up, and then you can save your image to your desktop and then copy and paste it onto your distance learning art portfolio. So here is my finished digital tribute to Van Gogh's Starry Night, and it has taken me quite a while to get all these marks on there. So if you do run out of time, don't worry. The learning is just to get experience of using the different tools to make an image. So I really hope that you have fun with this.
So I hope you had lots of fun using the Sketchpad app. I know I did. And if you'd like to show me your work, remember to upload it onto your art portfolio on the Google Classroom. So good luck with it and keep drawing.